Okay, welcome to Shop Abilities and Show and Sell. And we're going to show you how quick we can make you a e-commerce store, web shop, what have you, from scratch. So follow along. We're going to show you how quick and simple this can be. Okay, start here. Create store. Okay. Create store. Okay, here we go, folks. So this store is what you call a turnkey web shop. Once we've set this up, you can run with it. Once we add your domain to it, and you pay the monthly fee, starting at $9 a month all the way up to I think it's $4.99 a month, $499 a month. The average is about $29 US a month. So without further ado, let's go ahead with this. Okay, so we are starting a new web shop. Okay, so it's asking me the name. So let's just call it your web shop. Okay, this domain is taken. So let's say your turnkey web shop. Okay, good. Password. And continue down to the address stuff. That's just someone's address that we old address there. We use it for intents and purposes now. So what do you want to do with your store? Build a new store for a client, okay? So let's see. You move along here. Okay. Hit save. Sit tight. We're creating a new store. Hang on, babe. Sorry. Hang on. Okay. Look at that. Success. The store is ready to go. Pretty cool, eh, folks? Okay, so on the left-hand panel, this is what's called your admin panel. So you'll need to see, you can see this, your web shop. You can see there's your domain. This is your subdomain, right? This is the Shopify domain. Okay, this always will stay in case your store goes off for whatever reason. But what we want to do here is show you that so it becomes your turnkey webshop.myshopify.com. Every Shopify store has that as a subdomain. Now, when we get you a domain, when we add your domain that you choose, they're roughly $10 a year. Then that becomes becomes your domain. So it could be your turnkey, it would be yourwebshop.com or your webshop.club or whatever you choose. So, or what have you. So the next step in the process will be, there's a lot of steps we have to do. There's endless steps actually, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to show you how quick and easy we can set this up for you. Let's go to the product section. Let you take a quick look at how easy it is to add products, okay, to your web shop. So there's two ways to do this with Shopify anyway. There's two ways to do this, which is you can add your products with a CSV form, which is like an Excel sheet. It's a product feed, so you upload those by importing them, or you can just add them yourself, okay? And or you could click this find products here. But I'm just going to show you how to do it yourself manually add a product to the store really quick. Just a basic, quick show and tell, right? So there you go, add a product, right? So your first product, right? Your first product explanation of the can at the year of the cat. Anyway, then it asks you the product type, right? So you might say shoes, add shoes, okay? Vendor, right? Might be your shoe brand, okay? Your shoe brand, right? And collection could be blue shoes, let's say, okay? So, and then you hit enter to edit. Oh, actually, there's no collection. You have to do that. You have to set that collection up later. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Let's go forward. There's tags here that you can add, right? And some of the drop shipping companies you use will actually do all this work for you, which is really nice. So tags, right? Shoes. Sorry. Okay. Shoe web shop, right? These are terms that you would think of. You think of it like, how would someone, or how would I, or how would someone search for my store or for my products? Okay. So shoes deals, say, on shoes, right? That makes sense. So look, just for now, let's just leave it. You can add up to 20 different configurations and types. So the price for your shoes, let's say, are $20.78. This is where compare price, you want to make it higher so that your price is like a sale price. You don't have to, but it's nice to do that. 28.67. Okay. And then cost per minute to fill that out. Charge taxes, yes. And then for your SKU, you can build your own SKU here. So you want to use your name and stuff in the SKU. So you want to put use the acronym of your product. So YFP. So you want to go YFP and then start at 001. Okay. Or if you're superstitious, 002, whatever. And if you have that, you can put that in there. Okay. You can track it or you can not. Okay. That's fine. And it's a physical product or it's a digital download, right? And then the weight might be 1.10, let's say 10 kilograms. Okay, and then we'll leave the other stuff for now. Fulfillment by you, and there's how it'll look, right, on Google. So next step here is to go up here, and you need an image, right? This is where you can, so we'll add an image. We'll just go get it from the QR code. You can use it as get an image URL and use it, right? So let's just for fun throw this one up. 3D skull coffee mug. Kind of funky, cool looking thing. Wait for that to load in there. It should come on any time. There it is. There it is, folks. Now this is the fun part. You can edit it. So you can open up the editor. There you go. So now you can play around with different features, right? Enhance, right? You can try this high def. Do it. Oh, let's try the scenery. Food. Oh, okay. Portrait and nighttime. Oh, hey. Okay, so you get the idea, right? Right. Apply that. And you can resize, crop, recolor, lighting. You can write a message on top of it, right? Okay. Your web shop. Go. Go. Okay. So that's just an example.